Alright everybody, welcome back to Barbells and Burnouts. Alright, so I'm here with my buddy Kurt. We are here working on the S today, alright? So I've been getting a little bit of issues with the S2k, a little bit of just little random things going on. I've had some a little bit of misfires that I think are from certain things, but I know that the car is due for a specific tune-up. We are going to do a valve guide adjustment, okay? So right now, what Kurt's helping me out with doing is he is taking off the valve cover right now while I'm recording. All right, so we gonna get into it. All right, stay tuned. Alright, so we unplugged everything from the top of the motor, as you can see. So we are about to pry the valve cover off and take a look inside. Alright, so boom. This shit doesn't look extra. Are there cracks on my thing?
No, they're not cracked. I smell some gas though.
Yeah, I do smell some gas. That's alright. Doesn't look too bad.
I was still, yeah, that was stiff.
Yeah, definitely got to do a valve case. Alright, so here is the inside of my F20C. It doesn't look too bad. I don't see cracks on my retainers at all. Let me angle it so you guys can kind of see. Focus that up. Come on. So I don't see anything. I don't see any scoring on my cam. Doesn't look too bad. The motor looks, from what I see, it looks pretty healthy. How about you? What do you think, Kurt?
Looks pretty good. Just needs an oil change.
Yeah, definitely. I have about maybe 500 to 1,000 miles left on my oil change, and I've been beating it. So I could go for an oil change right now, guys. I could. I'm just get a better angle for you guys to see. But yeah, I don't see anything really bad. I'm also looking in bad lighting.
And the ones that would crack will be on the exhaust side.
Yeah. I was looking at intake. And they said it's always 3. Doesn't look bad, do you?
Nope.
Good. So that means more VTEC.
If you ever do need the kit, I have the whole kit. So
you have the AP2 retainers?
Yeah.
Hey, y'all might have to slide them AP2 retainers from you, dog.
Have the retainers and the keepers.
I might have to slide them from you.
I bought them and I don't need them.
Wow. Yeah, so look, guess what, guys? I'm finna get my AP2 retainers done. Bet. Alright, so we're checking out cylinder 1. And yeah, I see it. There is that slight resistance right there. But also, we're doing this, guys. We're not supposed to do this really when it's warm. But the motor's kind of warmish right now. I feel that little bit of resistance there. Yeah. So this we're at 0.1 right now, so you guys can see. It's not gonna focus in on it, but it's okay. So we're at a 0.1 right now. Since it's warm, should we do it like 0.11 then?
I mean, it's not really that warm anymore, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
So then it's good there. Okay. So yeah.
It's not warm enough to expand metal or anything.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. You know, maybe it'd be warm enough for it to expand just a little bit. But seems like we're good where we are. And you know, nice little dog for the video. Right, Simba? Yeah.
Don't look at me. I ain't say nothing to you.
Yeah.
This is a Chuki Beat production.
Alright guys, so thanks so much to Kurt and my foolishness. We actually did get all of the valve guides to proper spec. So right now we're about to put it back together. I think that, yeah, put it back together and we should be good. Yeah. Didn't think about anything else. So what we did find though is I have a little bit of oil on my coil packs. And my seals and my what is it? I'm thinking of the
for the instructions and the valve cover.
Yeah, the valve cover. Basically, I need to replace my valve cover and replace all the seals. The seals is what I'm thinking of. The seals were a little harder. All right, so I think that's where my oil leak is coming from. I'm not sure if the oil leak itself. I don't think the oil leak itself is going to cause the issues with the misfiring. But I know that this valve guide adjustment definitely really helped. Wasn't anything really out of spec, was there, Kurt?
There was one on the third cylinder.
Oh, third cylinder, second valve, exhaust side was out of spec. That's really it. So it's nothing crazy. So hopefully that's what was causing the misfire, not the oil spray on the packs. All right, so we can cross our fingers, and we're about to put it together. But yeah, that's what it is. All right, guys. So if you guys like the short, quick content, remember to subscribe, like. Kurt's gonna be here, gonna be part of the channel now. He's been inducted into the family, so he also has a S2000 build that we are taking care of. We're gonna be helping him out and taking care of. So you're gonna see him more often on the channel, guys. All right. So like I said, like, subscribe, share, and I'll catch you guys later.